So in this video we will study about the oxidation reduction agents, and we have already seen with we have already studied this in the previous video, but we are going to take one more example here. Oxidizing agent are those compounds which act on another chemical to oxidize the other chemical, right? They themselves get reduced. For an example, oxygen, bleach, sodium hypochlorite, chlorine, chromate ion, permanganate ion. Another definition is reducing agent. Reducing agents are those agents which act on another chemical to reduce the other chemical, right? So they reduce other chemical, but they themselves get oxidized. For an example, carbon, hydrogen, manganese and zinc. So basically get oxidized means they loses the electron. Loss of electron is oxidation. So they are ready to tend to lose the electrons. So those metals which those elements or those substance ready to lose the electron, they get oxidized, but they are called as a reducing agent. And these compounds are ready to accept the electrons, so they get reduced and they are called basically oxidizing agent. So we will see one example of the reaction which is called redox reaction. In the following balanced redox reaction, this is the reaction which is given here, which is balanced reaction. What species is oxidizing agent and reducing agent? So what we have to do, basically we have to find out the oxidation number of each. So here hydrogen is +1, which is have +1 oxidation number. We are talking only for, we are calculating oxidation number for each element, basically only for one element, right, per element. Here oxygen is usually -2, oxygen is usually -2. And how we can figure it out total? So basically you can see like this one, there are -2 multiplied by 4, total -8, and they have already one negative charge, so it will be like -1. So here we need to balance, to leaving the -1 on this one, we need only +7. So manganese have +7 oxidation number. In case of iron, which is monoatomic ion, have +2 oxidation number, right? Manganese ion have also here +2 oxidation number, which is in the product side. This iron have +3 oxidation. What about this water? Each oxygen is -2 and there are 2 hydrogen. To balance each hydrogen we have +1. So let's see which element is losing the electron and which element is gaining the electron. So if you see here that manganese ion is going from plus oxidation state to only +2 oxidation state. It means it is basically accepting 5 electron, plus 5 electron it is accepting. And on the other hand, iron is losing 5 electron, -1 electron per iron ion. So total 5 electron, loss of 5 electron. right. So here we have iron 2 is called oxidation happen here, oxidation happen here, and this is called as a reducing agent. Reducing agent. And on the other hand, manganese ion will be called as a, because here reduction happen on this ion, basically on manganese, so this will be called as oxidizing agent. So this is the one example I showed you how you can utilize the oxidation number to assign each element and figure it out where the oxidation number is decreasing. If oxidation number is decreasing, it means it is gaining the electron. Right, and gain of electron means reduction. GER, gain of electron means reduction, and loss of electron means here iron 2 is going to iron 3, it means it is losing one electron. So LEO, oxidation. Loss in electron, loss of electron is oxidation. And the compound which oxidize, or the substance or the species which oxidize, it is called as a reducing agent, and the species which reduce or reduction happen, it is called oxidizing agent. So this was one example. In the next video we will study about the balancing redox reaction in acidic condition.